Arterial supply. Jejunum is supplied by superior mesenteric artery, and it's give up a jejunal artery, jejunal artery, and this jejunal artery give the arterial arcades, and then it gives the vasa recta. What is the meaning of this? So this is the artery, and this artery also giving some branches, and this branches give some artery. This gives some branches. This is a jejunal artery. And after that, this is arterial erects. And these small branches, this is known as vasa recta. These are vasa recta. These are arterial erects, and this is the jejunal artery. So moving on in the ileum. So here is the superior mesenteric artery, artery give ileal artery. This arterial arteries. Here is the 3 to 6 arterial arteries, but in the ileum, in the jejunum, there is a 1 to 3 less 1 to 2 arterial arteries, but here is a 3 to 6 more arterial arcades. Then there is a vasa recta, shorter and more humorous. It is the shorter and more numerous, more in number, but these are but the jejunum vasa recta is the longer. This is all regarding the small intestine, jejunum and ileum. So there is nerve supply or venous drainage. For venous drainage, there is superior mesenteric vein. Regarding the nerve supply, sympathetic, T9 to T10, and T11. Regarding the parasympathetic supply, sympathetic supply, there is a posterior vagal trunk, posterior vagal trunk. Regarding the lymphatic drainage, superior mesenteric lymph node, and these all are same as the ileum, same for the ileum. Also ileum and jejunum.